Stop putting yourself and your vision last. Listen, you're great at supporting everyone else. You're great at showing up for everyone else. You're great at checking in on everyone else. But what I want to know from you today is, how good are you at showing up for you? How good are you at supporting you? How good are you at checking in on you? Do you know when you're doing too much? Do you know when you've reached your limit? Do you recognize when you're allowing people to use you, mistreat you, walk all over you? Do you recognize when you're in a relationship where you're doing all of the giving, but you're not getting any getting? They're not reciprocating. And you're staying. And you're stressed out. And you're burned out. And you're tired. But you have this vision. You have this dream. You have goals. And you keep putting them on the back burner. And you're saying, well, I'll get to it one day. No, let today be the day. Let today be the day that you begin to show you that you love you. Not just say it, not just say I love myself, right? But show that you love yourself. Show that you love yourself by giving to yourself first. That is the first of my growth framework. Give to yourself first. We've been taught wrong. We've been taught to give to everyone else and serve everyone else, and that taking care of you is selfish and focusing on what you want is selfish. But let me tell you something. People will wear you out. And when you need them, they are nowhere to be found. And so I need you to get this today. I need you to understand that it is important that you prioritize you and that you prioritize your vision. What do you want? What do you desire? Many of you have lived your entire life based on what other people want from you. And maybe you didn't even recognize it, but all of the decisions you've made have been based on pleasing someone else. Well, if I say this, what are they going to think? If I do this, what are they going to think? And so while everyone around you, they're doing all right, you're the one who is paying the price for the lack of focus and intention around your goals. Something I shared with the individuals who are in my 90-day level up challenge last night is, when you wake up, you need to make sure that you have time set aside to show yourself that you love you. Whether that be meditation, whether that be prayer, whether that be affirmations, taking a walk, watching something like this. Like, pour into yourself first. Like, that's how your day should be started every single day. You should start every single day by pouring into yourself first, followed by working on your vision. Oh, I'm going to say that again. I'm not talking about someone else's vision. I'm not talking about your full-time job. I'm not talking about doing something for your kids. I'm talking about you. Are you willing to invest the first hour of your day into you? And listen, this might mean that you got to get up an hour earlier. But let me tell you something. You are worth the sacrifice. You have sacrificed for other people for so long that you have neglected yourself. And in this season, it is time for you to show up for you. It is time for you to prioritize you. It is time for you to support you. You got to set a goal for yourself and commit to it. Stop allowing other people to monopolize your time. People will pull and pull and pull until you have nothing left. And so from today forward, if you are drained, if you are burned out, if you are overwhelmed, you've got to get real with yourself. And you've got to take control over your time, your energy, and your mindset. And when you do those things, you will begin to see blessing after blessing after blessing after blessing. Because you're starting your day with gratitude. You're starting your day with pouring into you. You're starting your day with being intentional, planning out your day, executing on your goals, strategizing, being creative, building something outside of your 9 to 5. Nothing is promised. Nothing is promised. One of the schools I've been doing some work for, the school is shutting down. The school is shutting down. And while so many people are stressed, I'm not stressed because that was just one of my revenue streams. I learned a long time ago, I gotta be willing to count on me. And see, sometimes you're not able to fully trust in yourself because you have put yourself on the back burner for so long that you will start things and not finish them. And so maybe without even realizing it, you don't trust yourself. You don't trust that you can achieve your goals. But listen, that needs to stop today. That needs to stop today. I need you to build a good reputation with yourself. Just like you show up for your job, your spouse, your kids, your clients, like show up for you. Just like you make commitments to other people, make the commitment to you. Decide today, every time I open my eyes, I'm going to start with being grateful for what I have, and then I'm going to pour into me. I'm going to be ready for my day because I understand that my day will be ready for me. Let's go.